life, things you want to speak into their life, things you want to manifest into their life, let me know. My Instagram is in the description below. Send me a DM and I can give you an Igbo name that matches the closest meaning of whatever name that you have in mind, right? So I give you a matching Igbo name. If you would like an Igbo name for yourself, like a middle name or something like that, let me know. And you send me a DM, you let me know some personality traits and stuff that you have, and I'll give you a matching Igbo name, right? Indibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo jinilo lono wakwezo.
Yeah.
So just like the belief in Igbo culture, any name that I give you, whether it's for you yourself or for your next child, anytime someone calls that name, the power behind that name will be invoked. And anything that you want to speak into existence, into your life or your child's life, will gradually begin manifesting, okay?